Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Apple Intelligence on your brand new Mac. So first things first, or an existing Mac. Head over to the top left hand corner, select the Apple symbol and select System Settings. Once you've done an update, below your name you should see Ready for Apple Intelligence and a red circle with number 1 or 2 inside of that. Click that and then it'll say and bring up this brand new menu right here, Apple Intelligence. Select Continue and it will basically take you through all of the brand new features that are coming as part of Apple Intelligence. So there's nothing for you to directly set up except a few small things when it comes to Siri. So right here you're seeing what the new features are, what it can do, how it can help you. For example, it could summarize certain emails, it can make you sound more positive or more firm or more strong. And of course, your voice assistant has got a much bigger and better upgrade. You can also type as well as using your voice. So once you then calibrate your voice to your brand new laptop or your existing laptop after the update, you have to say a few phrases exactly like this, just so it begins to recognize who you are, and so that when anybody else says it, it doesn't actually activate based on their voice. So you carry on seeing the examples of what can be done, for example, directions, timers, pretty much anything in many ways. And then you can basically start using Apple Intelligence as soon as this has finished. So very, very simple, very nice. And the main port of call there is going to be Siri helping you essentially make the most of Apple Intelligence.